Hey everyone, today we're taking a quick look at Quiet Lab Plus, the adjustable anti-snoring mouthpiece making waves online. Does it actually work or is it just another bedtime gimmick? Let's break it down in 2 minutes. Quick heads up, this review is based on personal opinion and independent research and not sponsored by Quiet Lab, and your experience may differ. According to the official Quiet Lab site, the product is a custom-fit mouthpiece designed to reduce snoring by gently shifting the jaw forward. They claim it's adjustable for comfort, clinically tested, BPA-free, and made in the USA. Helps with snoring, teeth grinding, and sleep quality. It also introduces easy fitting instructions and a storage case. Now, here's where things gets mixed. Some users had great experiences, like it not only stopped my snoring, but also helped with teeth grinding. Me and my wife sleep better now. But others weren't impressed. I bought one, it didn't work. I followed refund instructions but got no response. And another said I never even received the product. When I reached out after the 30-day guarantee, they basically said tough luck. So clearly, customer service and effectiveness vary depending on the user. So, does Quiet Lab work? If you're struggling with snoring or teeth grinding, it might be worth trying, especially with the adjustable feature. But be cautious because the refund policy seems unreliable based on real user feedback. So only buy if you're okay with that risk. And that's it for today's quick review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.